Dua ka dula. Dua ka dula ha. Sulod sumad, dua ka dula. And we are live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. First game, it's UST against University of Iloilo. UAP Season 4 by Basketballista. An official referee for today, Referee Jomong and Referee Apatan. Siya, takin tayo, siya, takin muna tayo palunggada.
Depensa pa pero na.
Okay. First position up. It's yellow ball. We are live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. This is our first game. It's UST against Iloilo. Abuyan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On all. 3-0. First basket, first shot against CST. Wow! Turnover on Iloilo. Now Abuyan again, setting a play. Back to Al. Steal. Now Mendoza to Esteban, 10 to shoot. Back-to-back turnover. 9 minutes. First quarter, first game. For our UAP. Nice penetrante. In and out, rebound by Esteban. It's yellow ball, UST ball, UST. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Abuyan to Mendoza, too strong. Now Penetrante. Penetrante, it's 4-on-1, drive, close to close, Penetrante, short. Rebound on Al. Carried by Haras by 2. Now steal by Esteva. Short. Hiner, drive, Hiner, pull-out jump, bang! On Hiner. 3-2. 1 point lead on UST. Abuyan to Mendoza. Favorite shot. Yes, nothing but net coming from Mendoza. 5-2. It's 3 point lead back to UST. Hiner. To Penetrante. Short. Back to Penetrante, 40 to shoot. Hiner. Stop, pump, same spot. Too strong top. Esteva. 14 is set back to Penetrante. Hiner. Now Mendoza. Drive goes to nice defense on Penetrante. Nice D by Penetrante. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Hiner. Pass to Penetrante. Now Penetrante guarded by Abuyan. 10 to shoot. Black behind Esteva. 5. Rebound Esteva. Now Al. Again, nice defense on Iloilo. It's 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Hiner. In and out, Mendoza to Esteva. Now Esteva. Wall. Whoa! What a great move by Al. It's 7-2. Now 5 point lead on UST. Hiner. To Penetrante. Fake, penetrante. Back to Abuyan. Abuyan, 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Abuyan. Mendoza. Turnover by UST, 6 minutes. This is our first game, first match. It's University of Iloilo versus UST. Our UAP, season 4 short. Mendoza to Abuyan. Again, same ball, 14 to shoot. Then, penetrante.
Ayan.
Whoa! Fly high in the sky by Hiner. First team foul against UST. On 16. On Abuyan. Sino pa, Rep? Rep.
Jumong.
Mendoza. Paolo Mendoza. First Mendoza. Al. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Hiner again. Whoa! Back-to-back shot by Hiner. It's 7-all. 5 minutes. Abuyan. Wal, back to Abuyan. Inat na Hiner. It's 2-on-2, 2-on-3. Hiner, right pass. Oh! Official now, 2-point lead on Iloilo. It's 9 against 7. Abuyan. Esteban. Al, 14 to shoot. Mendoza. Hook. In and out. Rebound by Al. Esteban. Now 9-all. It's 4 minutes and 15 seconds. First game, first deadlock. It's Iloilo against UST. Penetrante, back to Hiner. Nice play to Lopez. Foul number 21 on Esteban. First against Esteban. Second team foul on UST. 4 minutes. Lopez in the free throw line. It's 9-all. Now back to 1-point lead on Iloilo. It's 10 against 9. Now Abuyan. Esteban. Time to shoot. Same spot. Rebound Esteban again. Esteban. Al. Fake. Short. Rebound on Penetrante. Now Hiner all alone. Close to close. Hiner. Foul. Foul on number 16 on Abuyan. 13th foul on UST. First personal foul on Abuyan. Now 11-9. 11-9. Sige, hindi mo gusto ako pa-table na yun. Paano i-committee ko nila? Ano na yun?
Hindi ako lang ano siya.
Ha?
Hindi ako sa'yo na ano.
Ayoko nga. Bayad yan. Mendoza.
Anong bahala?
Abuyan. Ikaw na nidala rin. Ikaw nakuha.
Dami ni.
First, si Paolo Nililo.
Ikaw talaga.
Foul on our official is 3 minutes. 5 seconds, 11-9. It's 2-point lead on Iloilo. Short. Al. Time out on Iloilo. It's 2 minutes and 56 seconds. First game and first score.
Gusto ko magamit.
Ano ko?
Sige.
Budgetan ka.
Kiri. Pila ni? Kiri lang.
Gawa ko niya. Online. 199. Pero kuha na. Sulit na.
Tanongin ko yung
199. Kuha na na-complete na.
presidente namin.
Pero gamit na pero. Ilaod yan. Kuha ko siya. Balik ilaod.
Pero yung cameraman na mo, 5? Kanto-kanto. Bakit marami? Si Boss Mike nga, isa lang siya lang mag-isa.
Announcer pa.
Linaw pa.
Saan yan?
2 minutes and 56 seconds.
Kapatiran lang. Kapatiran namin.
Our official. Winner.
Ay, Muslim ka ba?
Tumating.
Muslim ka din?
Oh, iba na yan. Simple.
No. Kaya pala,
Bagsak mali.
Ikibo na lang ko para sa retibo. Ibajitin ako niya.
Hindi, hindi kaya. Wala yan. Charity ka na siya. Tanaw, wala ko nag-tibol ka. Sa ng parking, watatagi. Ida-out ang TV. Si Kumpo. Hindi ko ragid na lagi. Si Kumpo mag-gastigo.
doon ka nga. Nandi-distract kami sa'yo. Ay, mapo ka dyan.
Time out. Official time out. Official time out. Two minutes and 40 seconds. Now, Abuyan. Al. Favorite shot. Too strong. Top. Rebound by Penetrante. Now, Hiner. Carried by Abuyan. 2 minutes and 15. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Top. It's UST ball. UST. Now, Abuyan. Mendoza. 14 to shoot. 10. 5. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Mendoza. Now score is 12-11. 1 point lead on UST. Rebound on Mendoza. Abuyan, it's 3 on 2. Al, side step. Nice pass down track. Intercepted by Hiner. Hiner, popped up. Rebound on Al. Al goes to go. Short, Mendoza again. Pow!
Hindi ba yung 3 points kayo na? Ha? Hindi, galing tayo sa 10. Ilitar tayo sa ano.
Foul on our official. Second team foul. On Iloilo. Second personal foul on official. Counted. Now 13-11. 2 point lead on UST. 1 minute. Now Hiner. 55 seconds, 14 to shoot. Forty sa clock, 45 seconds. Short. Top. Abuyan all the way. Abuyan goes to go. CS and Abuyan. Now 15-11. 4-point lead on UST. 20 seconds. 14 to shoot. Short. 14 seconds. Now shot clock, 14 seconds. 12 seconds. 10. 5. And off our first quarter, our score. It's 15 against 11. It's UST by 4. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Ibon ko ba?
Kaya ba?
Magkuhan ka. Mag-table mo. Ayaw, mag-table, kumaduwa ka. Ayaw, kumaduwa.
O ganun, no?
Sana mo kumikinig mo. Ayaw, kumaduwa. Ayaw, pila mo ba? Kasi nagpapawis na ko. Ang pagkapos na biso sa duwa. Ang tanan ay table. Pero, bakit ako nang trying tagaradul? Trying taragan. Ako na tanan.
Pwede na. Akong i-release up na.
Flores, short. Rebound on number 77. It's Bulanan. Nice steal on Users. Gapak, drive, Gapak. Oh! What a shot coming from Gapak. 13 to 15. It's 2-point lead on UST. Bulanan.
Go, Gapak! I love you!
10 to shoot. Short. Rebound. Black behind. It's Flores. Foul.
Nice! Buwan na, pre!
Foul on Dens. First on Dens. First team foul against UST. Now Gapak. Rivera. Big. 14 to shoot. Flores. 10. Again, in and out. Rebound up by Dens.
Tremani.
Trimanes. Whoa! Ano? Blank by Flores. Now Gapak. Top. Flores. Now Bulanan. Gapak again. Gapak. Gapak drive. Nice pass. Oh! Turnover on Iloilo. It's 13 against 15. Still 2-point lead on UST. Bulanan.
Okay lang yan, baway lang kayo.
Drive, pass, Tangkay, Baroga. In and out, top.
Guys, go!
Rebound on the foul.
Nice!
Foul on Baroga. First personal foul against Baroga.
Free throw, Gapak!
Second team foul, UST. First on UST. Rivera. Gapak, big. Drive. Nice defense on Dens. Now Dens again. Dens. Now Baroga to out to strong by Jeff. Rebound by Baroga. Bulanan. Gapak. To Flores. Coast to coast. Flores. Foul. Foul on number 17 on Jeff. 13 foul on UST. First personal foul against Jet. Now 14-15.
Bisa na ko. Punta ko na. Pamilang Bilang ko siya mo.
Ano?
Ingat.
Tawag-anak mo mga kayo.
Now 15 all. Bulanan. Bulanan escape. Bulanan sa step na smash. Jeb. Bang! Basket corner by Jeff. Call a play coming from Bulanan. It's 17 against 15. First team foul on Iloilo. It's 17 against 15. Short, Rivera. Still by Baroga. Bulanan again to the play. Bulanan stop. Bulanan 14 to shoot. Tens. Try foul. Foul on number 15 on Iloilo. First on Lazada. Second team foul all against University of Iloilo. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Bounding Dance. Yes, what a move by Dance. It's 19 against 15. 4-point lead now on UST. Rivera. Kadi by Bulanan. It's UST ball. UST 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Bulanan. Turnover on UST. 6 minutes. Rivera. Rebound again, Barroga. Barroga looking for Bulanan. Bulanan stop up. Bulanan flag. Rebound on Lusada. Rivera. It's blue ball. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. It's Iloilo versus UST. Foul. Foul on Jeff.
Jeff second.
Second personal foul on Jeff.
Warning penalty.
Warning for penalty on UST. Now 17 to 19, 2-point lead on UST. Now Bulanan. Jeff out, mga press. In and out.
Leo Carpio. Rivera.
Rivera. Short. Out. Now Baroga. Baroga foul. Foul on number 9 on Flores. First personal foul against Flores. 13 foul against Iloilo. Basket timeout, Terep. Basket timeout. Timeout on Iloilo. It's 20 against 17. 3-point lead now back to UST. Back to the ball game. It's 4 minutes and 52 seconds. 20 against the 17. 3-point lead on UST.
Oh,
Struggling violation against Lusada.
Baroga.
Now Bulanan. Steal by Rivera. It's 3-on-3. Rivera. Side step. Icapio. Hook short. Baroga rebound. Now Bulanan. It's 4-on-2. Bulanan pick. Bulanan, yes. Bump shot. Coming pa ang Bulanan. Gapak. Rivera. Nagwapak. Pick. Gapak. Gapak. Block by Jeff. Nice defense by Jeff. Now Lusada. Gapak. 14 to shoot. Back to Lusada. Gapak. Oh, Jeff. Now Baroga. Block by Flores. It's 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 22 against 70. Inbound ni Baroga. Dance. Jeff. Yes. What a play by UST. It's 24 to 70. 7-point lead now, UST. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! All Carpio, 24 to 20.
Depensa! Go! Atira!
Same ball, 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Box out!
Bulanan. Baroga, 10 to shoot. Flores. It's 4-on-1. Flores goes. Foul. On Bulanan. Penalty. First personal foul on Bulanan.
Nepis eh, Nepis. Naglalaro doon.
Short. Baroga. Oh! Inal again! Jeff! Jeff again! Jeff! Foul on number 15 on Lusada. Warning for penalty on Iloilo. Second personal foul against Lusada. Now 25 to 20, it's 5-point lead on UST. Two minutes. Foul. Foul on Bulanan. Penalty.
Bulanan second.
Second personal foul against Bulanan.
Muniva.
21 to 25. Now 22 to 25, it's 3-point lead on UST. Bulanan. 1 minute and 33 seconds. 25 against the 22, it's 3-point lead against UST. Now Rivera. Kali by Bulanan.
Aywa.
Short.
Flores.
Black. Top. Rivera again. Short. Rivera. Short again by Rivera. Foul. Foul on number 15 against Lusada. Penalty.
Lusada, third personal.
Third personal foul again, number 15, Lusada. 1 minute and 2 seconds.
Babak, sit mo yung bola. Ikaw magdala bola.
26 against the 22, 55 seconds.
Bak, bigay bola doon, oh. Nice one.
Rumayes. Bola under. Yes, in and out. Iba may Flores. 35 seconds. Pink.
Aywa.
Rivera.
Aywa.
In and out. Lusada. Yes, on Lusada. 24 to 26. 20 seconds. 10 seconds.
Oh no.
5. Short. And now for second quarter, our score, it's 26. That's to 24.
Wala, di kayo mabibigay ang kota nyo? Sir, yung kota nyo, di ba wala mabibigay? Kota nyo, wala mabibigay? Tingnan ang kota nyo. Tawag nila.
Wala.
May bibigay kay kota wala? Meron. Kota niya may bibigay kayo? May bibigay kay kota? May ibibigay kayo ng kota?
Anong ko? Mamaya? Sige.
Meron?
Ito na i-usapin ko siya.
Tanongin mo na.
Gamay, 5 minutes pa sa
Oh, isa nakalaro lahat na. Ilan kayo? Ilan kayo? Basta 5 minutes, sub tayo. 5.
Ano yung konta?
USD ball, USD.
Sir, walang kwan, sir, ad. 10 sila, 10.
Now, Boyan to Esteba. Back to Boyan. Mendoza, favorite shot. Bang! On Mendoza. 28 to 24. It's 4-point lead on USD. Now for Granada. Mundeba. Side step, escape, pow! Foul on number 25 on USD.
Bulas chow.
Ha?
Bulas chow.
On Mulasyaw. First against Mulasyaw. First team foul on USD. Rivero. Mundeba. Foul!
Nice! Dalawa!
Foul again on number 24 on Al. Second team foul on USD.
Out of shooting!
First on Al.
Set pre.
10 to shoot. Muneba. Fake. Drive. Side set. Close to goal. Short.
Baba!
Foul. Foul on number 7. On Prias. First on Prias. First team foul on Iloilo. Mendoza again. Looking for a Boyan. Jet. Al. Favorite shot. In and out. Top. Rebound on the blue shirts. Now Granada. Pranada. Mulneva goes the post foul. Foul on number 25.
Balascaw.
On Balasao. 13 foul on UST.
Second.
Second personal foul on Balasao.
Munyan po.
2 free throw shot from Mulneva. In and out. Our score is 28. Against the 24, it's 2.4 point lead on UST.
Oh.
In and out again. Rebound on Mulneva. Mulneva. Big. Nice defense by Esteva. It's 14 shot clock 14. 8 minutes. It's blue ball. 8 minutes. It's 14 na set shot clock.
May next game tayo?
Guys,
12 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot.
Oh, pesto ka, pesto!
10. Ah. Again on Abuyan. Warning for penalty on UST. Second personal foul against Abuyan.
Nice, pre.
Our score still 28 to 24. 4-point lead on UST.
Baba!
Esteva. Wall. Back to Esteva. Guarded by Rivero. Now Abuyan. Mendoza fake. Mendoza in and out. Rebound on Esteva. Now Rivero. Planada. Now Planada side step. Nice defense. Too strong. Rebound on Prias. Stop. It's blue ball. Same ball.
Guys, atake! Takin nyo!
7 minutes.
Never.
Nice, pre!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Mulneva. Abuyan. Al. 14 to shoot. Mendoza. Back to Al. Esteva. Fake. Foul. Foul on number 7 on Reyes. Second team foul on University of Iloilo. First on Reyes. It's 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Now 29 to 27, 2-point in UST. Wow. Foul on number 16 on Abuyan. Penalty, not penalty. Third personal foul on number 16 on Abuyan.
Guys, pahinga ka dyan! Nice one!
28 to 29. It's 1-point lead UST. 6 minutes and 32 seconds. Now 29 all. Abuyan. Mendoza. Back to Abuyan. Mendoza. 14 to shoot. Al.
Kalas dyan, boy!
Esteva.
Kalas, Al!
Short. Esteva again.
Good!
14 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 7 on Reyes. Second on Reyes. 13 foul on Iloilo. Three free throw shot against. Six minutes.
Carried away.
Our score 29 all. $30 to 29, 30 against to 29, 1 point lead on UST.
Hinggang.
Ikot mo na! Pipinip na!
Granada.
Tira!
Brea.
10 to shoot. Black by Seba. Short. Foul. Foul on number 25.
Balastao.
Ang Balachao. Penalty. Third personal foul on number 25. Ang Balachao. Now 30 all. 30 all. Now 31 to 30, 1 point lead on Iloilo. Foul on front, a warning for penalty on Iloilo.
Sino sa nagpa?
Bayal. Whoa! Ano po Bayal? It's 32 to 31. Back to 1 point lead on UST. It's 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Granada. 10 to shoot. Black by Mendoza.
Walang sundot!
Esteba. Al. 14 to shoot.
Uy!
Moneva.
Nice one!
In and out. Abuyan. Substitution left Sabret. Foul on Reyes. Penalty.
Brea's third personal.
Third personal foul against Reyes.
Sir, pwede palitan, sir. Yung nakalaro lang, ha? Yung nakalaro lang, pwede palitan nyo. Ang hindi pa nakalaro, di natin pwede palitan. 10 minutes dapat yan sila. Di tayo mag-plus kasi 10 sila. Mag-plus tayo kung kulang ng 10.
4 minutes. Granada, foul. Out, traveling violation on Granada. Only 1 point lead on UST. It's 32 against the 31. 1 point lead now. UST 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Tremanyes. Abuyan. Mendoza. Fake. Nice move. Mendoza. Short. Rebound on. Now Granada. Granada to Moneva. Foul. Alon Dens. Substitution left sub.
Then second personal.
Penalty there, pa penalty. Second personal foul on Dens.
Hindi kami pwedeng kakasab.
Kasi pag nakalaro lahat na, pwede tayo mag-sub. Sino naglaro ba?
Sila natin ma.
Ay, hindi. Wala nang sub niya sa nakalaro. Dapat 10 minutes yung laro nila. Mag-sub lang tayo pag nakalaro na sila 10 minutes. Pag buwan lahat yan, di ba?
Bakit sila nakasabkom?
Eh, ito po na sila, nakalaro na dati. Dapat yung player of 10
Ay, hindi
minutes,
nakalima.
hindi na palitan yan. Hindi natin papalitan, 10 minutes.
Now 30 all. 33 to 32. 33. Against the 32. Only 1 point field in Iloilo.
Oh, wow, wow.
It's 14 to shoot. 14. 3 minutes. Again short. Muna, foul. Foul on Baroga. Penalty.
Baroga first.
First personal foul on Baroga.
Ilang memo kami?
Isa. Dapat gamitin nyo ha, kasi yun ang magagamit ng sunod.
Hindi na magamit eh.
Court, dalawa. Dapat gamitin nyo. Hindi mo pili.
Posible, take time! Huwag mong madaliin!
33 against the 32.
Dami nilang coach.
Oy! Oy!
Foul. Foul on Muneba. Penalty not penalty. Warning on Baroga for swing elbow. One moment Granada. Ya, ini out top. Na Baroga. Bulanan.
Wala nang coach to coach.
Short. Baroga. Short again. Reyes. Wow! In and out.
Wala pa rin!
Granada. 14 na sa second.
Ay!
Black by Dance. Now Bulanan. Dance. 14 to shoot.
Then,
Black. Mahal muna ba? Bulanan. In and out. Jeff.
account.
Foul. Foul on number 7. Time out on Iloilo.
Prayas, fourth personal foul.
Fourth personal foul against number 7 on Reyes.
Iwan niya.
Thank you.
Penalty not penalty. One minute and 37 seconds.
Shooter. Ang lagi-lagi niya nga shoot niya.
Oh, dinala na kita ng tubig. Baka sabihin mo na naman wala akong dala.
Baba!
Uy, salamat.
Set mo! Set mo! Nada, set mo na. Pre! Sige mo sa Time!
Ano to?
Ikot mula.
Then to shoot.
Tira! Atake! 10 na lang!
5.
Pasa na!
Oh no!
1 minute and 10.
Oy!
Wow.
Penalty, no? Wala lang kami time out.
Foul on number 77. On Barroga.
Baroga second. second.
Second personal foul on Baroga. 33 to 32. 1 point lead on Iloilo.
Pahinga, boys. Dito. Wala na. Swing bang. Salam.
Basket substitution Teret. Basket substitution.
Baba!
Apat kayo.
Aywa.
Sub. 53 seconds, 53. 45 seconds. 10 to shoot. Baroga. 30 seconds. Mendoza. Back to Mendoza. Robin Benson. 23 seconds. 23.
Baba. Sir.
23 seconds. Fifteen. 10.
Shot!
5 seconds.
Baba!
And now for third quarter score. It's 33 against 32. 1 point lead on Iloilo. Fourth quarter now, fourth quarter. Fourth quarter. It's Iloilo ball, Iloilo. Last quarter.
Nasaan na isang nagtitinda ng ice cream?
Yun na. Ay, trabaho na ata daw.
Giner. Yes! So, Giner. Now 35 to 32. It's 3 point lead on Iloilo. Too strong. Jet. Yes, so Jet. 34 to 35. 1 point lead on Iloilo. Penetrante. 14 to shoot. Flores. 10. Ball ng Baroga. Foul. Foul on number 9 on Flores. First team foul on Iloilo.
Flores second.
Second personal foul on Flores.
Baroga.
35 all. 35 all. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Now 1 point lead on UST. It's 36 to 35. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Penetrante. Short. Mendoza rebound. Mendoza. Still Henner. Henner all alone. Yes, and Henner. Now 37-36. 1 point lead on Iloilo. 8 minutes and 15. Parroga, guarded by Gapak. Foul. Foul on Gapak. Second team foul on Iloilo.
Yan ang dapat.
So, pag second.
Second personal foul against Gapak. Mendoza, 10 to shoot.
Mag-usap kayo.
5. Black. Foul on number 2. Foul on number 9, Non Flores. Third team foul on Iloilo. Third personal foul against Flores.
Flores third.
Now 37 all. 37 all. One point lead back to UST. It's 38-37. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. Lopez. Black.
Oh.
Top. Rebound by Mendoza. Jeff. Now Jeff.
Barog.
Parroga. Traveling violation on Parroga. 7 minutes. Now Lopez. Now offensive foul on number 21 on Lopez. Warning for penalty on Iloilo. It's 6 minutes and 40 seconds.
Pag wala, diskarte. Big.
14 to shoot. Still Benner. Short. Rebound on Mendoza. To Parroga. Back to Abuyan. 10 to shoot.
Aywa.
Kalas, Jonathan.
5.
Yellow
Bitaw,
shooter.
bitaw. Bitaw.
Rebound on Lopez. Hiner. Lopez. Short. Top. Rebound by Mendoza. Parroga.
Oh.
Black by Flores. Parroga again. Una na Flores. 14 is second. 14. Parroga. Air ball. Gapak. Rebound. Shot it is a timeout. On UST. It's 5 minutes and 44 seconds. 38-37. Only 1 point lead. Against UST.
Dalawa po time out nyo, dalawa.
It's Iloilo ball. Iloilo. Short. Meneva. 14 is set clock. 14.
Balik, balik. Lapit, lapit.
10. Al rebound. 5 minutes and 20.
Lapit, lapit. Shot.
Al. 14 to shoot. 10.
Pick, bigyan niyo ng pick. Nice one.
Yes, so now it's 40. Against 237, it's 3-point lead on USD. Hiner, 10 to shoot. Steal again by USD. It's 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10.
Bang, bang.
Nice, nice!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Trimañez! 43 to 37. Muneva. In and out. Flores. Foul. Foul on Al. First team foul on USD. Second personal foul against Al. Hiner. Muneva, 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 21 on Esteva. Second team foul on USD. Second personal foul against Esteva. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. 14 to shoot. Hiner. Rivera, 10 to shoot. Traveling violation on Rivera.
Ay, ay, ay. Hey!
Sub.
Okay. Take time. Oras tayo. Oras tayo 5 pa rin. Presta ka mo, presta!
Al. Bularan. Esteva.
Tapos!
Short. Iba ng Muneva.
Hey, kabilo!
3 minutes and 17 seconds. 13 foul on USD. Third team foul on USD. Inbounding Muneva. Flores. Black. Dens. Nawing Pante. 10 to shoot. 10. Too strong. Di ba ng pinitante? 3 minutes.
Labas! Labas!
10 to shoot. Out again. Pinitrante agad rebound. Muneva side step. Muneva block by Dens. Now Trimañez.
Oras! 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 Balik!
Bang.
2 minutes and 40 seconds. Flores. Foul. Foul on number 21 on Esteva. Warning for penalty on USD.
Esteva third.
Third personal foul against number 21. Esteva. 43 to 37. It's 6-point lead on USD.
Kaya yan! Kaya yan! 2 minutes and 35. Pagod na. Dalawa.
Esteva to Bularan. Eight-second violation. 8-second violation. It's 2 minutes and 22 seconds. 2 minutes and 22.
Depensa.
Technical foul on Bularan. Policy shorting. Sabre pa. Substitution Terep, Sabre. 43 to 38. It's 5-point lead on UST. Now Hiner. Nice pass, Flores. Whoa! Flores. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you. Then side step, too strong. Now Hiner. Block. Rebound by Esteba. Looking for Termanes. It's 4-on-1. Al, side step, Al goes to go. So strong, rebound by Flores. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Muneva, block, foul. Foul on number 16. Time out. On UST. Fourth personal foul on Namboyan. Now UST and penalty.
Mag-isa lang.
Saan na lang?
Kung ilan yung
Sino
time out
nag-time
natin?
nag-time out?
Dalawa. Penalty na kami dito.
Warning na.
Warning.
Sino nag-time out niya? Wala na silang time.
UST now, penalty.
No time out.
Our score is 43 against the 40.
May isa pa, abuyan.
1 minute and 31 seconds. Muneba again. One move. Offensive foul against Muneba. Offensive foul tayo, sir. Offensive foul. Wala tayong penalty. Offensive foul tayo. 5 fouls na. Both teams now penalty. Both teams now and penalty. Abuyan, guarded by Biner. Al. Uparoga. Still Biner. Oh, in and out, top. Pinagande. Foul on number 16 on Abuyan. Penalty red. Abuyan, 5 fouls.
Nice one.
5 fouls on Abuyan.
Relax, ubos.
1 minute and 9 seconds.
Nice.
41 to 43, 2-point lead against UST.
Dalawa. Pasok po, para isa lang. Rebound! Nice one!
It's UST ball. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Al. 1 minute. 19 seconds to shoot. 59 seconds. 59.
Yun lang time out no?
Now Al. 55 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. 5. Running violation. No. It's 44 seconds. Time out on Iloilo.
Sayang lang yung...
It's 43 to 41. 2-point lead on UST.
Sa time out nyo ha?
Both teams now and penalty.
Sayang lang. Nagkashot sana sila.
14. 44 seconds, 44. 14 seconds to shoot. Hiner. 10 to shoot, 10.
Nice one!
Whoa! Pinitande! 30 seconds!
Oh!
Bulangan! In and out! Granola, 20 seconds! Still like a foul! Foul on number 10 on Bulanan, penalty! 43 seconds, 43, it's 15 seconds!
Wala nang turn.
15 seconds lang tira, oh. Short go! 15 seconds, ha?
Science.
Kelvin,
Nanalo na bigla.
15 seconds, 15! Basket timeout, Terep, basket timeout.
Walang foul!
Basket timeout.
No foul! Isa lang, Brad. Nice!
Timeout on UST, it's 44 against the 43, 1 point lead on Iloilo. On get it.
Asa na Domingo?
15 seconds, 14 to shoot. (44 to 43).
Ball.
14 to shoot, 15 seconds.
Oh my goodness! Aywa?
10 to shoot. Three seconds, 3 seconds.
Wala na tayo magkakalaman.
3 seconds.
Practice mo na, pre!
Miss mo isa.
Meron pa kayo isa, sir.
Siya lang! Manilang! Pulang! Diskartihan!
Dalawa.
3 seconds, 3.
Rebound! Rebounder, oh!
Anak ko lang.
Nice!
Shoot.
And our game, our winner is Iloilo. It's 45